We were just talking, like, you started your career from Thrissur district, is it? And I think because Thrissur used to be a famous those days as a district, it had a great players, and the team I think they won a lot of inter-district matches also. Those days, the Thrissur team was really good.
100%. Most of the in Indian legend, I.M. Vijayan, Jopol Anjeri, C.V. Papachan, lot of the best players in Thrissur only. So here is a very football culture in Thrissur. So I started my football career only Thrissur only. When I was in school, I played in school level tournaments and all. So as you know, I played a Mohammedan Sporting Club in Calcutta, Bangalore. Then after that, I became a coach now. So I trained a coach. That is my football career.
Which position you used to play?
First of I played a right back and defending midfielder. This kind of position I played because I never played a striker role and I never played a attacking up. But most of the time I played in defense line and supporting midfielder like. So this is my.
Yeah, and so from who's your favorite player those days when you used to play?
So 100% Vijayan Bhai is my favorite player, and Papachan, C.V. Papachan. Papachan Bhai is looking like a European. Like his style of dribbling, is dodging all very. Those who are played, that Papachan he played Kerala Police top scorer that time. After that, Vijayan Bhai came. Both Papachan and Vijayan Bhai is a very good Papachan. And after that, I like in India, I like same like Kishan Uday Bhai. Kishan Uday Bhai also very good player, very good lefty, like a Maradona. He have nickname like a Indian Maradona. He's a very good player. From my view, in my favorite player, one of my favorite player is Kishan Uday, Papachan, Vijayan Bhai, and all. He's a very genius players.
Okay.
Because I like those who are playing with the ball control, those who are playing with the creativity. Vijayan Bhai is you can't imagine. He's a outstanding creator. He is a good assist with the when Raman Vijayan interviews and all, you can hear these things because when Raman Vijayan came FC Cochin, most of the goals scored by the I.M. Vijayan assist only. So So I still remember this kind of. He is one of the Indian legend. I can't imagine nowadays what kind of game he played. Now it's bad luck because nowadays that days not like ISL. If ISL is there, his popularity is more than old days.
But how about the audience? Because see, when I used to play, I had played lot of matches in Kerala. 7-a-side matches actually. Many of the district team I have played with, and in fact I played for the Thrissur, the district team when they had the inter-district for the 7th and all that. And in those days, even that 100 rupees which they give us, it's a lot of money for us. Apart from the accommodation and the food, we used to have a lot of good food, and we used to stay in a good hotel, which is a 2-star hotel, which is very good for us because in national team also, when we go along with our state team, we never used to get so much of facility. But when we played in Kerala, we saw their food was good, the accommodation was good, and money which they gave us also was very good. But of late there are no matches like that which is happening. Why is that?
So that is 100% right, because only nowadays the players, the local players and the beginners will be only getting by through money only the 7-side only. So what happened after 7-side? If they improve, where is their platform? There is now Gokulam FC came. Before that time we have a Viva Kerala, FC Cochin. We have like this whole team. What happened? Lack of money. The club is vanished. Okay. Now they started again. ISL will become again the football. Kerala football will be changed again. They bring back another glory because that cultural change, the new model, new style, the organization, all this kind of they bring and people change. Now they improving. Now Kerala Gokulam FC came. We give the platform to the players. So hopefully we will be on the right track right now. We started again. Hopefully the Kerala football will be bring back again. I hope we are on the right track. So let's see what happens. So.
Yeah, and you also have an assignment with the Kerala state team, right? With the association, you're doing some development program for them, because I saw you last time going for Santosh Trophy and all that. So you're also now getting more involved with the association in development program, is it?
So when after my knee injury, what happened? After my knee injury, I joined my physical education course in Kannur. So my MPhil I did. First I did my PG. After that, what happened? I went NIS for Patiala for 1 year diploma, football diploma.
Okay.
So when I back, I joined Viva Kerala as assistant coach 2007. After 2007 to 2012, I worked with the assistant coach with the Viva Kerala. Lot of coaches came, like 5-6 coaches. So I know the pulse of Kerala football. I know each and every player. What is player needed? What is the player lacking? This kind. I know the players their needs. So after that, so I joined a professional only. That time Kerala Football Association told me, Binu, you should take this team. But Santosh Trophy and all, there is money. There is no money. So I joined only the clubs. So this time I was a technical director of Gokulam FC. So this time Kerala Football Association approached me. They told me, Binu. So after the meeting last year, we have poor result. So we are all after the meeting, we all decided to bring a good result this season. So we want your service. So can you possible to join the Santosh Trophy team? So you have Gokulam Reserve team, Gokulam under 18 team, and your scouting is we know about that. So I told Kerala Football Association secretary, he's a very nice person. He told me, I told him, see, Gokulam FC is giving monthly salary. So when my president is agreed, I can come. So otherwise it is very difficult, because they're paying me big money. So I have a lot of responsibilities there. So he said, I said I want 2-3 week time. So I spoke to my president. He said, Binu, it is our Kerala team. You can go and join Santosh Trophy. So after that, we can get good players from Santosh Trophy. We can sign here. So that's why I take a charge. So we played fantastic football. This Santosh Trophy. Unfortunately, the COVID came that we qualified for the final round. Unfortunately, the COVID came, all stopped. So I don't know, but hopefully I said no. Now Kerala have more potential players. I know the problem is the platform. Now Kerala Blasters also and Gokulam also, they started to helping the players more in the state only. Then only the state will be improved. Then only state improve, that the national will be improved. That is my yeah.
Yeah. So we have with us, Chitra Gangadharan, who's our goalkeeper, who was our national team goalkeeper coach, and the first Indian women player who got selected in the rest of India, and she has played for Sahara India, and she had brought in many laurels for the Indian team. And we also have Rajiv, again one of your colleagues in Gokulam.
Yeah.
So he's also with us over here. And so they have conveyed their wishes, and there is Mary who had also conveyed her wishes to you. Okay. I don't know if it's come in her own name, or if she's disguised herself and logged in as Mary. But Mary has conveyed the message to you. And there is a question from what is the future of Indian team?
Okay, so
so he's asked So Singh has asked, what is the future of analytics in Indian sports?
Sorry, one more.
What is the future analytics of in Indian sports? So he wants to know what is the future in Indian sports.
Okay. So it is my view, Indian football is going on right track. So nowadays we bring a good coach, is an experienced coach. See, all people see when you know that Liverpool coach Klopp, he joined Liverpool club. What he said in the first interview, I need 3 or 4 year time. Then only I will give the result. Yeah. So it is not an individual game. It is not athletics. Athletics when start, we can finish with the individuals. With one player. So it is a team game. Team game. Then the coach come. He can give some time to him. After that, he will give the result, because now what happened? One coach come, his philosophy started. Again, after 1 or 2 years, he changed. Again, one other. It is difficult for the players. So let them wait for 2 or 3 years. Then see, now India producing good coaches. Indian education system is going on under the Savio coach. Is a nice going. So hopefully we can get a good result. So you know that ISL come now. The ISL and I League, they are going to merge. It's a one league. So I think it is going the right track. Hopefully India will be going better as a sleeping giant. You said no, same thing. I hope India will be going to big impact on future, 100%.
So you are the one among the few pro licensed coaches in India. So
Yeah.
you know, after doing the pro license, you know, did you have a dream to complete and make a career in football, or it is just like that as it happened?
Yeah, true. Kalpana, see, football coaching is not my job, it is my passion. That's why I came here. So when I go for the job or I coach the team, it is my passion. I love this game, this sports. I love my job. So when I start, that's why I'm studied more about football. So see, all time I'm one of my friends like Musa, Pasha. They were very good experience with the years. We did in Korea only in our pro lessons. Very good instructors. So it is. I'm very thankful to All India Football Federation for that time. Luckily, we did completed our pro lesson. So see, in Kerala only right now only in Kerala after my pro lessons coach. So hopefully we can do more football development in Kerala. I hope we are doing this only. So now and before I heard in Kerala that time I heard only more women football teams in Kerala that time. Sina, Suna, more players. Bendila. Now you see we started like Gokulam FC women's team. So I thought I spoke to press people also. See, in athletics, Kerala is the number one. So why should in football? In athletics is the mother of the sports. If I have strength, if I have good running ABC, we can 100%. We can get a good results. So we searching this kind of development in women's football and men's football. So we want to Kerala is to bring back the glory again. So it is help for the Indian national team. So all kind of now all of the, that's why I'm said under the Savio coach, all best coaches we producing. That our under 16 coach that. What I forget, Govan. He under him the team is playing very good. So that's why I'm saying India in future let's see we go in the right track. So that's why I'm saying lot of good coaches is coming. good result is coming, good players is coming, then on we improving. Day by day we improving.
Yeah, I think, but the ex-players, when we talk about Suna and Chitraka has mentioned about Aisha and Usha Nair, and all these players have got the government jobs and they are working. Even in fact, Bentala is also working with a government job right now. So I think the government should start supporting you all.
So
recruitments.
100%. So now 100%. We already spoke to the ex-players, their service to taken their local area, so we can send a girl from that local area. Then we can get a good result. No, so they have get some money. They have their experience, what they learn from their coaches. So this is very good idea. No, so we already started to talking this kind of ideas.
Okay, that's nice. So how do you scout your players for Gokulam FC? I'm not talking about the women. I'm talking about the men's team.
Okay. So see, this is my job only. So there is I was in before I was work with the Kerala State Sports Council. So I know most of the coaches. So from where if so many college matches, so many academy matches if going on, they call me, Binu coach, you come. So without information, I come and I sitting in the top of one of the hiding place, and I sitting the players and I write the name, and 2-3 matches I watch. So see what is my scouting. The player, at least after they joining Gokulam FC, they should play in national team. That kind of player I scout. So right now Gokulam, 2-3 players we signed, Arjun Jairaj and Salman. 2-3 players we sell for a transfer fee. So this is we are promoting our club. No, so this kind of scouting, we are going everywhere in all part of the Kerala. They have matches. We went sometime. I watch the 7-side matches. Those who are playing in 7-side, we will call to our trials, and we will again watch the 11th cricket game. So this kind of procedure. So we have a lot of option. I said no, in Malappuram area, it is a craze in football. So most of the players from Malappuram only. So they're sleeping in football, eating in like eating in football. So Malappuram is, you can't imagine, the craze of football is very, very different way in Malappuram. So now it is but now Gokulam is we bring good players, and we are scouting under 13 player. After under 13 we are promoting to the under 15. Under 15 we are promoting to the under 18. Some players, if you okay for the senior team, this kind of process is going on right now.
So you have been as a player. So which was your strongest point? Like when we spoke about Sabir Ali, we were talking about his heading style. When we spoke about Daryl, so we said he was a striker. And you as a wing back, where were you very strong in the playing position?
See, nowadays, nowadays wing back is not a defender. Wing back is like a striker, like a winger. So most of the team they're playing 3-4-3. So the winger is a right back. Winger is an attacker. So he need more speed. He need a more hard work. The decision making is very important for the full back. So what time they want to go, what time going to press, what time when the understanding with the defenders, understanding with the midfielders. So the position is full back is very important for me. So nowadays, the numerical advantage taken by the team by full back only.
Exactly. So how was your, what was your most memorable football moment? You have been as a coach.
That
you have been as a player,
yeah. That I never forget the match 2017, I think so. The Super Cup against Northeast United. The coach was Avran Gram, the Chelsea before ex-Chelsea coach. So the match was, that time Gokulam FC have the small budget. We just debuted only that is our first debut I-League matches. So after we finished 7th in the I-League that time. Only first 6 only direct qualification for the Super Cup. So after 7, 8, 9, 10 and same in ISL table. That team against we playing, then winners only can go through the final round. So we beat Northeast 2-1. That is my memorable match. I never forget because I defeat the Chelsea coach. That is
That's nice.
I never know. My boys played fantastic football. They're playing a touch football, like a tiki-taka.
Okay.
So because we day by day my boys improved. The same team I feel that they have more confidence. So I told him, don't worry, don't panic. Whatever coach, whatever Northeast, they have maybe they're getting more salary, big names. You don't think about that. So what we learn, what we in the under me, what you learn, play that. We have good foreigners that time. They very motivational, motivate to our young boys. So that is my memorable match. After that, we semi-final we played with the Bangalore FC. Just last minute we consider 1 goal. That's why Bangalore FC again. That match also very memorable match for me.
That's nice. And so, as a coach, you have always seeing players, a lot of players. Whom do you see who has reflected Binu George? Which player has reflected Binu George? See, you have been watching a lot of matches as a coach. As a coach, you have been going around and you have been seeing a lot of matches, right? So, whom do you see yourself in? Any player you have seen, oh, I used to be like him. Any player has impressed you like that?
Yeah. Now see, now in India, there is the basement. I said basement. Only the BFC. The BFC match, BFC players. I love the BFC game because they have the system. They have the under the all together. They're playing long time. So they always like a professional way. So I always love the BFC game.
Okay.
Always love the BFC game. Yeah. Even see our captain Sunil Shetty also still he playing fantastic game because of they're getting from other players good support. So when he playing BFC, always is more energetic. So because they together they're playing long time and one system. So now all clubs like they started copying from BFC. So this is good for us. So we also we all think about same like the BFC. More clubs will become in India. Then it is good for us, no?
So how is the coming season Gokulam FC is? Because during this COVID time, are you in touch with your players? Do you do activities for them online, or how do you all connect with your players?
Yeah. See now most of the players from Gokulam FC 3-year contract. So we have still our physical trainer is here. He from Brazil to go back to Brazil because Brazil. More cases in Korea only.
Okay.
So he is here. So always we discuss with him and he make a plan and we are sending by mail. Sometime we will be Zoom meeting all together. They come and we explain, because maybe I-League will be started maybe November, so that time we don't get enough time. So what we said to him, in home we can possible this kind of exercise, that drills will be given to individual program. So we are doing this. So because
that's nice.
My president Praveen is is very passionate. So he want to. He told me, coach, last year we win the women's league. So next season we want to both men and women. So so we are target is like that.
So you're pressured now.
See how to happen.
We are also looking forward, what are the changes that Gokulam FC is going to bring in. So, the viewers are also in connectivity with that. And so you have anything who was your inspiration? You have been, your journey towards the football has been very positive, and you have been creating a lot of positive energy with all the coaches also. When we meet you, there's a lot of, that smile on your face, which, it takes away the stress during the courses that we have been doing, and you know very well about that. So, is there any role model in your life, whom you are following,
See, I said, I born in my place now, Thrissur. So here like a small Brazil, like a Thrissur. I'm staying only Thrissur town only, nearby the football stadium. So only 200 meters from the stadium to my home. So I am always in. When I am young, I just went out going on stadium only. I am seeing every day the best talented football. So I don't know who is my role model, but every day I am watching. I want to become this guy. So I love start seeing football match only every day. Lot of tournament, lot of matches. So that's why I started to playing and started to loving the football.
You even in the substitute also you had the Indian players. So how did you manage feeding them, and how did you make a team plan over there? And you have been the backbone for the IWL team also, because I'd seen you throughout the tournament. You were there. You were 2 or 3 months you have spent over there in Bangalore in studying the team and working with the team. So how did you manage these players? Because the substitute players which you had on the bench were also a prominent Indian players who are currently playing. So how did you manage this?
So see, we talking, all players is a part of the team. No one is, she is better, he is better, no. So see, today against this team, she is good or he is good. So that is coaches, today coach thinking about she only. So that's why you not a bad. If you are sitting, sometimes see, sitting in the bench, some players before, I saw some players, that boy is today my position, she playing, she want to play badly, then I get the chance. Not like that. You pray for the team. You pray for her or him. So it is, sometimes this is the team. Today, coach make a plan for against this team. She can play that position. We convincing everyone to call in the room or something. I said Priya was the head coach. I said to Priya, call her and talk to her like a calm and understand her. So this is the things. And I said no, because all players are adjusting. Because see, some players they played, most of the players are national team players. So it is our duty to how to convince each and all players. So you also coach. You also, it is difficult for all.
Yeah, but that's what we used to always tease and. So it adds actually having too many.
That's why I said Kalpana. That's why I said Kalpana. pro license and all, not like a coaching. There is a man management.
Man management, yeah. Exactly. So you during your pro license, you had to work with a club which is outside India, right? So which club did you work for, and how was your experience working for the club?
Because see, one of my colleagues, my mate was in Gulli Arena. He was working with the Dubai club, Dubai FC, and so he is very helpful for me. He told me, Binu, you can come and work with our under-21 team. So it is not like India. They have more facilities. Like they have 6-7 grounds. They have their gym, their nutrition scientists. Because there is a different. That is we lacking. We lacking that only. So when we coaches, we go for that kind of platform. Everybody should work on that. Everybody should very more eager to work this kind of facility we are seeing. No? So we are very interested to work this kind of platform. So 100%, if you get this kind of platform, we will be prove our result, our quality, our capacity. What Indian have. Now nowadays before that we have left. We went Dubai and Qatar. India have playing football. Their game is cricket. No, they're telling like that. No, now they change. Now day by day we are changing. We are improving. Now most of the world know the ISL. So this kind of improving good for us. So even what courses we did, A license, pro license. If no team, simply sitting home, we are spending this much money. So what will we do? So hopefully India is. I am sure India will be doing like that. We are. See, you can see most of the coaches in future. The Indian coaches will work abroad. You can see. So because they have brain, they have talent. 100%, I believe that.
Thank you so much for being with us, and thank you viewers for being with us. There has been a lot of technical issues, so we cut in and then we joined in back. And I'm sure, you would have enjoyed the program. So see you all on coming Friday at 7 o'clock with another prominent guest. Thank you so much for being with us. Okay, thank you, Binu. Thank you for being with us. And thanks. You can tell the coaches Raju, Chitra, and all are here. Mazhar is there. So thank you so much for joining in.